Hey guys, Ivy, welcome back to the channel and welcome if you're new. Today I'm filming on my iPhone, so I'll probably sound a little bit different, might look a little bit different. It is nighttime, it is like way past time I need to go to bed, but I wanted to do this video spur of the moment. So I'm going to pack for a couple day trip to visit family. So what I wanted to do was do this video of stuff that I would bring in a tiny makeup bag, but I literally cannot find any other makeup bags besides this one. So my normal makeup bag though is a lot bigger than this. Like this is my normal one, this Sonia Kashuk like weekender bag. So yeah. So this is fairly minimal for me. I'm gonna try to make it to where you can probably fit it in a smaller bag. So I'm going to just go in the order that I would apply things to my face. So the first thing I'm going to put in there is this e.l.f. Hydrating Primer. I wish I could have found a smaller bottle primer, but if you have a sample, I would bring that. And I've been really liking the Wet n Wild foundation, so I'm going to bring this one. And then this concealer, the Wet n Wild Illuminati Highlighting and Concealing Pen. This is great for travel because it's so small, so I'll put that in there. And then I normally would hate traveling with a pressed powder, but I'm going to use this Kat Von D one, which it might be okay just because it has that little poof in there to kind of keep it from going everywhere. And then I'm going to bring this e.l.f. blush and bronzer duo. I'm not going to bring any contour, just this. And then, what else? So for eyeshadow, I'm going to bring this new palette that I got, the Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette. And I can actually use this one shade here as a highlighter, so I'll bring it for that. Then I've got the Milani eyeshadow primer, this Wet n Wild mascara, and the Ulta brow pencil, and the Wet n Wild brow mascara. So here's how we're doing so far. Not that much else, I don't think. And lip balm, the Hurrah Mint. Then I'm going to bring this Kat Von D Lolita 2 liquid lipstick. And what else? And I think maybe this Wet n Wild gel lip balm in the shade Tease. And I think that's it for actual makeup. So now on to brushes. So I'm bringing my favorite brush, the Eco Tools Wonder Cover Complexion. And this Real Techniques blush brush. And this Wet n Wild crease brush. And then maybe one more. I could probably get away with just the crease brush, but I'm going to throw in this e.l.f. eye brush just to make it a little bit easier on myself. Alright, so there is it. There is my makeup for 3-ish days. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. 3 to 4 days. My brain is not working because it's like 2 a.m. So, yeah, there's pretty much everything. And actually, it kind of worked out that I use this clear bag just because it's a lot easier to see what's inside of it. So you're not like digging and digging for what you need. And all these products are cruelty-free and vegan. None of them are owned by parent companies. So, yeah. This bag is a little dirty. If you know how to keep a clear makeup bag clean, let me know. Like I tried to wipe it off with makeup wipes and like hand sanitizer wipes, and it just still doesn't work. And also, whenever I travel, if I'm going to be multi-purposing my brushes like this, so I'm only using 2 face brushes for a bunch of different products, I will bring one of these washcloths. I just got a pack of these at Walmart for like a couple dollars, and I just use like this, these are different from the washcloths that I use normally, so I just know these, and also they're like stained with makeup, so I know which ones are which, and then I just pack these with me, and then I can keep one on my desk whenever I'm putting my makeup on. And then you can just wipe off the brush to like change colors or change products. And then if you want, I have a little spray bottle with rubbing alcohol. If you want to like spray your brushes instead of, wiping them just dry, but it's up to you. So there's everything that all fit in this bag. I'm not sure what I would take out. I would maybe find another palette that would multitask better if I needed a smaller bag. Or like maybe if you're really pressed for space, I would depot some foundation and primer in 2 little pots. Like I keep some. I bought a bunch of these online one time and I just keep these little pots just in case I need to put stuff in it for that purpose. Or if I am like on the last legs of a product, I'll cut it open and then like scrape it off into one of those little containers just to get more use out of it. So yeah, I think this would all fit in a small bag if you maybe depotted a little bit of primer or foundation, or if you have a sample primer, that would be ideal. I just haven't had one in a little while. So anyways, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If not already, please subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.